Magandang oras po sa ating lahat. Isa na namang video po ang ating panonoorin sa ating this video is taken from the Philippines na po. At ito po yung Itag Kasak Mall. Itag TV Kasak Mall Restaurant. Somewhere po going to Benguet. At saka ito po yung way namin papunta ng Ambuklaw Dam. Ayan po guys. Pero ang nadaanan pa namin after this pag-breakfast dito is nadaanan namin yung Maristela ba yun? Basta yun na ngayon po. Ay, mga views po dito ay ang gaganda po. Pero we're not taking the video long kasi ang weather po ay parang humahabol po yung bagyo o kaya yung ulan dito sa Pilipinas. So, sad nga lang po dahil marami po akong plano na mapuntahan sana pero the weather is really bad. The month of July po. July. Maulan po at may bagyo. At dito po kami nag-breakfast ng aking kasama. At ayan po yung view. The next mountain po may maulap po talaga kasi dyan po umuulan talaga. And I had tried finally yung sinasabi nilang food of Benguet na yung itag nga po, which is yung pinausukan yata, yung tawag doon, they cook it by the charcoal or the wood thingy. So, yan po yung pa-view. Kumuha tayo. Walang maayos pa akong video sa uwi ko pong ito sa Pilipinas. And just sharing a little bit kind of like trouble while I'm in the Philippines. So, ito po yung mountain province. All you can see is like mountain and a foggy area at the same time. Kaya, yan po. Panay yung yung video natin is yung hinahabol talaga at saka kung lang yung mga nabibideo na lang dyan guys. So dito kami nag-breakfast. The food is quite good, I can tell, pero if you are not used to it, something like nangangapa ka talaga what is the taste of the thing. So yan guys, I'm showing you the wild sunflower po in the Benguet area. At yan po yung view. Binabalik-balikan ko po yan kasi ang lalaki po ng bahay, nakakamangha. And yeah, yan po. Yung may nakapicture ko po yung owner pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala po yung video namin. So, these are the foods. The rice is red, mixed. Yeah. At saka ito po yung sarap yung chili nila guys. Homemade talaga. Sila yung gumagawa. At saka yan yung mga sabaw. Siyempre, unlimited soup po sila. At yan po yung order. As you can see, yung itag. Mix po yan. May pinaned yung tawag nila. Tapos may chicken. At saka yung tinatawag nilang pinipigan. O yan po yung pangalan ng restaurant. Ayan guys, yan po yung may-ari. At believe it or not po, nandyan po si Coco Martin sa mga nila. Yeah, si Tanggol. Ayan po yung food. At I had finally tried it. And yan po yung syempre, pag tawag doon, yung itatry mo pa lang siya, then you can tell na it's okay. At saka ito po na po yung way going to Maristela. Maganda rin yung view na yun pero ongoing pa rin po sila ng construction kaya hindi pa siya lubusang na yung place is still under construction. Ayan po yung way. And at the same time road trip po kami dyan. At sinilent ko po kasi may music pala. Ay marami din akong dinaldal dyan. Then, yeah guys. So yan po yung way. May mga mangilan-ngilan lang na mga cars na makakasalubong natin dyan. Kasi gawa ng natatakot siguro yung mga biyahero na kasi may bagyo ngang parating. Ayan po, still ang lalaki ng mga bahay, kahit ang layo po sila ng lalaki no talaga ng bahay dyan. At yan po, maraming salamat. At I hope you like the videos at sana po you're going to watch it till the end of the video. Thank you so much po sa mga nanonood pa rin kahit papano. And here we go. We almost there at Maristella. Something like, I don't know if it's a hotel or something like, hindi ko siya basta nadaanan na lang po namin yan. So, the road trip is really good. So, going to Ambuclao Dam is really, we talk, I was like 2 hours from Baguio down to Ambuclao Dam. So, ayan, we're in Itugon. So, yan na po yung sinasabi kong place. May mga video po ako dyan, pero short nga lang po. So, we need to go inside and check. At maganda po yung lugar. Lalo pag natapos na po. Ayan, papasok na po kami dyan. And as you can see, ayan po, we're somewhere in Itugon. At yan po yung name ng place. Kaya makikita rin po ninyo na under construction pa rin yung lugar. And if you went to Baguio, hope na you're going to see this place. Marami kayong madadaanan dyan na maraming mga magagandang tanawin, mga magagandang tourist spot. Pero yan na lang po yung pinaka nakita ko sa madadaanan namin. And I said, we're going to try to get in. I mean, it's not really get in. At least in front of the place is yan po. At saka dyan po, syempre sa baba, most of the you can see the views in Mountain Province or in Benguet is yung mga pine trees at saka yung may mga bangin-bangin dyan na landscape na lang, which is really nice. At saka may mga mga flowers sila, mga iba't ibang ori ng flowers, which is yung mga talagang kailangan ng mga flower na yan is yung malamig na lugar, ganyan. Hindi ako makapag-video ng maayos, gawa po ng yun nga, habol ang oras kasi ilan lang yung natitirang na mga araw na paggala-gala. So yeah, this is the place, is still under construction. So hope na if we're going back again next time, I mean going for a vacation, hope na makapag-video na ako ng kind of better than this. Maraming pumupunta guys, mga tourists, pero yun na nga po, siguro gawa ng masyadong maulan yung weather on this month, kaya yan, maganda po yung place. Marami po akong mga hindi nakuhang mga magagandang kasi ini-enjoy ko din yung nakalimutan ko ng mag-video, ganyan. So yeah, thank you for watching guys, and hope you like it.